come over, and I am going to go entertain them, but I will watch the group meeting later.
Okay.
So I'm sorry.
That's okay. Enjoy.
Yeah. So I will see you guys on Wednesday.
Okay.
Yep.
Sounds
All
good.
right. Thanks, guys.
See you next time.
All right. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, so this is where we learned about that F statistic.
Yeah, it came a lot faster than I thought it would.
I thought of you the whole time I read it.
F statistic. What are they talking about?
Um, were you guys okay with the? Did you have any questions about the homework or anything?
I think I did okay. Let me take a look. Did you have anything that threw you?
Um, when I found it, I had really no issues with it.
I think,
Unfortunately, I did it like on Friday, so that was like a few days ago. But when I did
yeah,
it, I still had, it was pretty,
not too bad.
yeah, it wasn't, I didn't find it too bad, that bad.
The only thing that I noticed that I was kind of surprised about is they have like that one rule if it's less than, if the largest is has to be less than 4 times the smallest. Then
Hmm.
I think in the videos, he, instead of comparing, is that variance that is
It
true with
was
that, or
the standard deviation.
yeah, and that was 2 times. So
Yeah,
I thought that was interesting that they didn't include that in both places.
yeah,
But
because the standard deviation thing was like I remember I don't think it like officially ever said that in the reading until like it got
right,
to one of the examples. It's less than 4 times and less than 2 times. I'm like, well, I
yeah,
remember hearing in the video him saying 2 times, but I never read it until now. And
right,
I thought the
yeah, it
dude
was
in the
kind of
video was high when he was talking about 2 times. I'm like,
yeah.
no, it was 4.
They're trying to confuse me again. Yeah, but I think that everything else worked out pretty well. I do better if I can just sit down and do like the whole lesson at once rather than like hit and miss.
Yeah, and I usually do it on Saturday, but I was um down here at the Rose Bowl. There was this big event with Shaun White, and my
Um,
friend owns like a food truck, and so um, she was selling her Konas, which are like uh, a snow cone on steroids,
what
and
kind of?
so she was selling, her truck was at the event, and so I went down and was helping her out all Saturday. So
Uh-huh.
I did all
Cool.
my studying on Friday.
Good for
That's pretty
you.
cool.
So what does she put in her snow cones?
Well, it's she just gives you the shaved ice, and then you go out, and then you just like squirt whatever flavors you want in it.
Yeah.
But it's like in like the big cups that you would get like at McDonald's or something like that. So it's not like the little dinky,
Yeah.
stupid triangle snow cone cups. I call it snow cone on steroids.
It grew. That's fun. Have you ever had like the snow cones, like the Hawaiian style with ice cream and azuki beans?
I don't think I have.
It's
Those are
so,
so
yeah,
good.
I miss them. It's really the only place that I like azuki beans because they put them in all kinds of things here, like in pancakes and breads and nasty stuff. But with ice cream and shave ice, it's really good. Makes me want to go. Anyway, I could just eat myself around the world. It would make me fat but happy. Anyway, we can get going. So true on the first three is what I got.
Hmm.
Okay.
And then for 4, I put B and C. Because it checks the data, not just the mean in this test.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That was tricky reading too.
Yeah.
And that the variances are equal. So I think it's B and C. And
Or all the sample means positive. Wasn't that didn't they say something about not negative or?
something can't be negative. What was that?
Because I remember it right skewed and the
And
negative.
it can't be negative. Yeah, you're right. Let me see what it was. The F statistic value can never be negative.
Okay. Okay.
So that doesn't play. So it said right skewed F distribution. F is never negative. Yeah. So that's good.
Okay.
Then for 5, use a QQ plot.
Yeah, because I
Yep.
remember a lot more about. I mean, I remember the histograms, but I remember a lot more about the QQ plots in the reading.
Yeah, and histograms won't tell you for sure if they're normal.
Yeah, and I think they just has.
That's what I
pull it
guess
just
anyway.
yeah, and I think they just has pull it just for. How do I say this edited? For the heck of it.
Just to see if we could. Okay. You're right. We can still hit that button. That's good.
Like, can't say that. Definitely can't say that. Third one. For the heck of it.
It's so funny because we try and teach our kids not to use euphemisms, and so anyway, like not at any rare event or anything, we'll be sitting in church and a speaker will use something like that, and they're like, euphemism. I'm like, yes, yes. It's so funny. For 6, we assume the variance in each group is the same if the following happens. So that's
Less
the
than 4 times, right?
Mhm.
So,
B. Right?
yeah.
And then, I don't know how well my thinking was on this next one. I think that's 6.
Okay, wait a minute. So if there was 6, or if it was 4,
Yeah, then one pair is 1 and 2,
okay.
and another is 1 and 3, and 1 and 4. Not 2 and 1, because that's already been done.
Yeah.
There's 2 and 3.
2 and 4.
2 and 4. And there's 1 and 3. 2 and 3 has been done, and then 3 and 4. That's why I got 6.
That
And I'm
sounds
sure
right.
there's
Okay.
probably a math thing that I should know to be able to answer that easier, but I have to draw pictures.
Mhm.
Yeah, that makes sense. 6.
So it says if there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs. How many pairs are there when there are 4 samples? So that is 6 pairs. Just didn't want to word it wrong.
Yeah. So for number 8, do we have to pull that soccer shoes file?
I did. I did it yesterday to see if I understood because it looked kind of tricky. So I'll do it again and make sure I'm still doing it wrong or still doing it right. Either way. As long as I'm 100%. I don't care. Well, I do care if it's wrong or right, but at least I know.
So, let's see. So what is it they want to know?
Mine is still going to load. I have a dinosaur when it comes to using this. Load all of them. Observe that the p-value is 0.0809. And then you take out the SOX data. What is the p-value? So see how you do that, and then, because I think I might have done it right, but I'm not sure. So you have to take out all of the SOC data.
So the SOC data was which one, F?
I think it was listed as SOX, if I remember. Mine's still trying to
So
connect.
I just delete those?
That's what I did. I highlighted them, and then I went to edit and cut, and I don't know if there's an easier way.
Okay, and so now I go... Crap. No, I don't go crap. Shoot, what was... The factors, the groups, right?
I know the measuring stick one usually goes on the top, and then the group is on the bottom. You know, it has a little measuring stick symbol.
Yeah, when I pulled up the ANOVA, it just has the one, so I have to create group one, right?
Probably. Mine is still loading. It's so
So
slow.
footwear would turn into group, the groups, right?
The type, is that what it was called? Hang on, it's
Yeah.
almost here. Footwear.
And I changed that to what, yeah.
Yeah, because footwear is a string, so we have to recode footwear.
Okay. So, let's see here.
So transform, automatic recode.
Yeah.
And footwear.
Scripted mean spot. It wants the p-value.
We have to look at the p-value first.
Okay, well, if I did it right, 0.309?
Without SOX?
Yeah.
That's what I got.
Okay. 0.309. Oh, I just got an email about Group 13 assignment.
What's Group 13 assignment?
Lesson 13 group assignment. Well, I guess I really screwed that up.
Uh-oh.
Okay. It says, class, last week many of you had some difficulty with the group meeting for lesson 13. Some of you had questions for me while others suffered in silence. But thanks to those of you who've made me aware of how difficult some of the questions are. In particular, some had a hard time with the SPSS problems and in getting the data sets just right after entering them in manually. You seem to do well taking an existing SPSS data set and processing it to get a correct answer for the most part. But with getting the data sets just right and doing the coding, and in particular getting the data so that it was not a string variable, was hard for many. I was able to get the right answers, but it did take me a bit longer than it should, considering that, I make a living of looking at data sets. Fair. I will be going over your Lesson 13 group assignments and giving half credit to anyone who filled in the wrong answer for problems 6 through 16. Those who did attempt the problem will not get credit. Well, I hope that helps. Nice job with the effort, everyone.
Cool. We actually did good on it.
Yeah. So I guess we don't get bonus points, huh? Okay.
But we attempted and succeeded, so that's excellent.
That's right. We're the model group.
That's right, we're going to be known for our project. Oh, the fame.
Okay, so number 8, number 8 is .309.
That's what I got. Did you get that written?
Yeah.
Okay. And then for 9, I think this is kind of funny that it comes up. It says the p-value always goes up when only one group is removed compared to the p-value. And we've only done it once. So at first I put true, and then after I worked through each of them, I didn't believe it was true. Because for number 10, we have to remove each group too, and each group and record the new p-value.
So it does go up then?
Not always. Not what I found anyway.
Okay, because, yeah, it's just wanting to know when one is removed compared to all 6, so I guess we need to run it with all 6 and find out what it is?
I think so, because to answer number 10, you have to you have to find the highest and the lowest p-value when one of them was removed. So you have to go through and remove each one at a time and record the p-value. So SOCs are .309, and then we can just work down.
Okay, so we still got to do it with all 6, though.
I think so.
Okay, I'm gonna reopen it. It was soccer shoes, right?
Soccer shoes.
Come on.
Oh wait. I'm gonna do that right now.
Okay, so transform. So with all of them, okay, so with all of them, it looks like .081.
Yeah, and that's true. That's true because it gives you that in number 8, .0809.
Okay, so 9 would be true then?
Well, it says the p-value always goes up when only one group is removed compared to the p-value when all 6 samples are included. I think that number 9 should have been number 10 because on number 10 you have to go through and take out each group separately to get the p-value to find the highest and the lowest.
So we should answer 9 after?
I think so.
Okay,
That's
so
why.
remember .081.
Yeah, so that's for all 6. SOCs removed is .309.
Yeah, so let me go delete socks out of here.
And I've got, tell me what you get when you take out the 1s or A.
How do you take them out?
Just go through and delete it.
You have to go back to the whole data set though, right? Or can you do it from the analysis part that shows up?
Oh, I didn't think about it. No,
I
I think
couldn't.
you have to. I think you have to manually delete it.
So like highlight it and delete or cut it? Is that how
Yeah.
you did? Okay, that's how I did it. I just wondered, it'd be nice if you could just highlight a line and kick it out.
Okay, so what's the highest p-value when you see removing only one group? So which group does he want us to remove, or does it matter? Or I guess we just have to go through and do them all?
That's what I thought.
Okay. Shit, I shouldn't have deleted those
Yeah,
then.
because it says you will need to compute an ANOVA for each possible option.
Okay, so I'll do A first then?
Yeah, that's what I did.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I got with A 0.060.
That's what I had.
Okay. Okay, now B.
Yeah.
.052.
Uh-huh. That's what I have.
C. .448.
Yeah. You're faster than I am.
D. It's letting me hit Control Z and just put it back in.
Oh. I just do I do the green undo arrow.
Hmm. Or Control Z. Okay, are you ready?
No. Hang on. My brain is stopping. Okay.
Tell me when you're ready.
So for the taking out 4 or D, I got 0.031.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then E. .050.
Yeah. And we already did the sock. It's 0.309.
Yeah. So 9 is false then.
Yeah, which I was surprised because after they asked that question after you've just done one other one, and just knowing that answer I would have put true.
So then the highest one, what was it I told you?
So I've got
0.448, I think it was.
what is the highest value? 0.448.
Okay. Now we need the variance. Better go take out the socks then.
I I gotta catch up on my thing. 309.
I'm gonna hurry and delete the socks because it needs the variance and. Oh wait, I have all 6 of them.
You have to do descriptive statistics, huh? To get the variance,
Oh shoot, we do.
because it's not on the ANOVA.
Yeah, because the descriptives it says isn't on the.
Yeah.
Do we have to run it all again?
I think we can just do analyze, yeah. Descriptive. Or
Well,
should
yeah,
I do it?
we have to delete each one out.
I don't think so. I think it'll give it,
When all 6 samples are used. Oh, okay, all 6.
yeah, I think it's just
Okay.
descriptive.
And then explore.
Yeah, let me see what it comes up with. Yeah, that'll give us variance for all of them.
And this one we can use the footwear one as the factor list, right?
I did the recode still.
Was it okay? I'll do the footwear and see what if there's a difference between the two.
It probably doesn't.
That's the variance.
Yeah.
For A, I got 27.358.
Right.
Okay, so there really isn't a difference then.
I don't think so. B is 29.484
Yeah.
on the. And I think the recode just makes it so you can run that other test, right? It doesn't change.
Yeah.
Doesn't change the numbers.
So then we
20
need the biggest one and the smallest one, right?
Yeah.
So so far 27.208. Ooh, 53 for a variance. So I'm seeing D and C.
So the smallest is 27.208
Yeah, from what I can see.
and the largest is 53.158.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think so.
Okay, so the smallest was what again?
I've got 27.208. Is that what you got, Britton? I don't
Yeah.
want to record the wrong numbers.
That's what I
And
got.
then it was 53 point what?
158.
158. I think it's true. 13.
The test for equal variances is satisfied because 53 is less than or equal to 4 times the smallest. Yeah,
Mhm.
so that's true on 13.
Huh?
Yeah, so true for 13.
Okay.
Then 14 we need QQ plots.
So that one was
Sometimes I get lost where to find that one.
oh, I think it has it when we ran the descriptive.
Just plain descriptives or explore?
No, the one we just ran, if you scroll down a little bit more.
It does?
Yeah.
Let me think.
Yeah, you just have to go down past the histogram.
I've got box plots. I don't have any.
You had to click a button to say you wanted the Q
Bummer.
plots, didn't you?
Probably. I didn't do it.
See, and I just hit the histogram and then the normal, what was it called? Descriptive Statistics Explorer. And then when I hit plots, I hit histogram, and then I clicked on the normality plots with test.
Got it. Here it comes.
Yeah, and that gives you the of course, they're not all.
Okay, so construct one for each of the examples. Each of the examples are approximately normal. Looking good to me so far. 3 is good, 4 is good, 5 and 6. They're all good. True. The test statistic for ANOVA hypothesis test, F, p-value. So then for F, it's always under the right tail.
What? Yeah, because it's right skewed.
Right.
So it's right.
That's what I think.
15A, right?
Yes. Definitely. Let's put it.
Right there. Ugh.
15 was right. 14 is true.
Okay, should I have a drum roll?
Are you gonna see that? I'm just checking to see if I got everything recorded right.
Okay, should I be brave?
All right, I think we got it. Should we send it?
Okay, here I go.
All right. What? Oh, it's a happy dance. Okay. Then I'll submit. That'll be another happy dance. I love it. Those
See your
points. Yay! Those points don't really, it's not like a lot of points, but anytime I'm like seeing 100, I'm like, yay!
Yay,
Every
my
little bit helps.
like 0.2. Excuse me,
surprising.
0.02.
They may come in very handy at the end of the course. You never know.
That's right.
So do either of you know if the exam is like just for what we've learned in the last few weeks, or is it over everything?
Going by what like if you pull up the text, it's only Unit 2. Because if you pull up the textbook thing and you click on Lesson 15, it talks from 9 to 14. So
it's
I think,
9 to 14.
Yeah, I think it's just all Unit 2 that we've done.
Okay, that's good. I'm hoping that the other has stayed.
Yeah, and from what I can tell with the next 2 exams, the next one after this will be just on Unit 3, and then it'll be just Unit 4. And from what I can see, there's no final exam, and so I'm wondering if that's what the project is.
I'd rather do the project than the test over everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, because from what I can just tell, it's just the exams are just that unit. And so
That's good.
where I see no final exam, I just see a final project. So
well, and really you can't so far we couldn't have just jumped into Unit 2 and learned Unit 2 without learning Unit 1 because we wouldn't have been able to understand what they were talking about.
Yeah.
So I guess in that way it builds on itself even if they're not testing us like
Yeah, they can tell if we know our stuff.
Yeah, right. Just hopefully the test will go well. I don't know. Math tests stress me out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I kind of like it because a lot of our other classes are just like writing and telling what we think and what we feel. And so sometimes it's nice just to have like number classes where there is a right answer or a wrong answer. Kind of like it sometimes. Not enough to major in it, but it's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna stop this.